All right, here we are at 19 MacIntosh Street in Forster. And anybody that knows me knows that I love these sort of heritage style properties. You've got decorative cornice, 9-foot ceilings, fireplace off to the side, but they're just always in great locations. So let's go for a look through this one and then we'll have a talk about the location. Yeah, so check out the kitchen. It's just dead center of the property. All right, so the location for these properties is always perfect. So you're dead level, you're 50 metres away from Forster Bowling Club and you're 600 metres away from town centre. You can't beat them for location. But let's go have a look at the size of the backyard.